In this video, we will see how to create text into diagrams using D2 in MassiveDiag. I have prepared D2 code for Cloud Microservices Interaction Diagram using Claude as an example for demonstration. You can generate from any AI tool. Once your code is ready, copy the code and head over Bibsit website. You will land on the home page. Log in with your credentials or sign up for a free account to unlock editor features. From the top left editor drop-down, choose MassiveDiag. Now the MassiveDiag editor is visible. Paste your D2 code into the editor and choose your diagram type. Then, click Create Diagram. Your diagram will instantly appear on the right side. You can expand, collapse, and adjust nodes, making it easy to organize ideas visually in real time. Once you're happy with the result, export it in PNG, SVG, PDF, or DOCX format. I have downloaded the diagram as a PNG file. Let's take a look. With D2 in MassiveDiag, creating clean and flexible diagrams is fast and simple. Try it now.